Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix, and for today's video, I'm going to show you how to update drivers on Windows 11. First, go to the Start menu icon at the bottom and just right click this one, and then you will find some options right here. And the option that you need to click right here is the Device Manager. So from here, you can find all the drivers that you can update on this Windows 11. Now, the second option is go to the search box at the bottom and try to search right here, Device Manager. Then it will show you the application. So you just click this open and it will open up the Device Manager. Or you can also go to the search box again and try to search right here, Control Panel. So you just click this application and open this control panel. And then from here, all you need to do is click this category and click these large icons, and it will show you the device manager. So click that device manager. So right here on the device manager, you can see all the drivers that connected on your computer. You can go right here on these processors or security devices, software components right here. Now, for example, if you want to update driver, all you need to do right here is, for example, I just want to go right here on USB root hub. Right click this one and then you will find that update driver button. So just click that one. And then a message shows up right here. As you can see, how do you want to search for drivers? You have two options. You can search automatically for drivers or browse my computer for drivers. So just click this search automatically for drivers and just wait a bit. And as you can see, the best drivers for your device are already installed. And then the second option is to install the downloaded updated driver on your computer. So let's go back and try to do that manually. So let's go back to the device manager. So just close this one and then right click again and then click on update driver. So for example, you download some drivers from internet and it was on your computer. So all you need to do is browse my computer for drivers and it will install that file from your computer. So click this one, for example. And then you can actually click this browse to locate that downloaded updated driver, as you can see here. And then once you've done, you can now click on OK or close this one. Or you can actually go and click this, let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. So let's have to try to click this option right here to pick automatically. And then as you can see here, I have one driver. So just click this next. And finally, as you can see here, installing drivers. And then you'll find the message shows up right here saying that Windows has successfully updated your drivers. So you can follow this method to do this also to other drivers on this device manager. So to see if your driver needs to be updated, so go to properties and then you'll find the date right here if you need to update your driver soon. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to our channel, and please don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.